Drink 1 cup each morning to treat erectile dysfunction. Here are 5 natural Viagra alternatives you should know. Imagine waking up every morning feeling more confident and ready to face the day without the constant anxiety of erectile dysfunction. Ed, what if the secret to recovering sexual energy might be found in a simple, pleasant drink? It's not magic, it's science. Millions of men worldwide battle with Ed, but few realize that the answer could be as close as their kitchen. Let's look at 5 great drinks that can help you improve your performance and rekindle the spark in your life. 1 cup at a time. Prepare to discover how these natural cures can dramatically improve your daily routine and overall health. 1. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is high in antioxidants, notably polyphenols, which help improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress. These characteristics are critical for sustaining a healthy erection. Pomegranate juice has been related to better erectile function because it protects the body's nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is essential for relaxing and dilating blood vessels, allowing blood to flow easily to the penis. According to studies, men who consume pomegranate juice on a daily basis have improved blood flow and stronger erections. In addition to its erectile effects, pomegranate juice promotes general cardiovascular health, decreases inflammation, and strengthens the immune system. It is also high in vitamin C, K, and folate, which promotes overall well-being. Adding pomegranate juice to your morning routine is simple. Pour a glass or mix it into a smoothie for a pleasant and health-boosting start to your second day of green tea. Green tea is well known for its health advantages, including improved erectile function. The secret is its high concentration of catechin chemicals, which are proven to increase blood flow and decrease cholesterol. These catechins help to relax blood arteries, allowing for improved circulation, which is essential for a healthy erection. Furthermore, green tea contains antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and boost general vascular health. Drinking a cup of green tea every morning can also help you feel more energetic and more alert. Due to its mild caffeine level and the amino acid L-theanine, this mixture delivers a modest energy boost without the jitters that are sometimes associated with coffee. Green tea also helps to relieve tension and anxiety, which can have a negative impact on sexual performance. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine not only benefits your erectile function, but also improves your general health and well-being. 3. Beetroot juices. Beetroot juice is an excellent drink for increasing erectile function because of its strong nitric content. When eaten, these nitrates are turned into nitric oxide, a chemical that dilates blood vessels and improves circulation. Better blood flow indicates a greater ability to create and maintain an erection. Beetroot juice has been found in studies to considerably lower blood pressure, which promotes good erectile function. Aside from its benefits, beetroot juice contains critical nutrients like vitamins A and C, iron, and fiber. It also has anti-inflammatory qualities and can improve stamina and endurance, making it a popular choice for athletes. Drinking a cup of beetroot juice every morning will help improve your sexual health and vigor. If the flavor is too strong, combine it with other fruit juices or blend it into a smoothie for a more palatable choice. 4. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is a delightful, natural way to improve erectile function. It has a high concentration of citrulline, an amino acid that the body converts to arginine. Arginine, in turn, stimulates the creation of nitric oxide, which relaxes and dilates blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the penis. This natural method transforms watermelon juice into an effective and pleasant cure for ED. In addition to its erectile function benefits, watermelon juice is hydrating and high in vitamins A, C, and B6. It also contains antioxidants such as lycopene, which promotes cardiovascular health and decreases inflammation. Drinking a cup of watermelon juice every morning can be a delicious way to start the day while also improving your sexual health. For an extra refreshing twist, combine it with ice or add a touch of lime juice. 5 ginger teas. Ginger has long been recognized for its therapeutic benefits, particularly its ability to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Ginger tea, created by steeping fresh ginger root in hot water, can improve blood flow, which is necessary for maintaining erectile function. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects benefit general cardiovascular health, lowering the risk factors connected with ED. Aside from its benefits for erectile function, ginger tea can help with digestion, nausea, and immunity. It is also a natural method of decreasing blood sugar and cholesterol. Drinking a cup of ginger tea every morning can provide a warm, calming start to your day, boosting your metabolism and promoting sexual health. For added flavor and health advantages, mix with some honey or lemon juice. Final thoughts. Erectile dysfunction is a difficult disease, but including these 5 drinks into your daily routine will help you manage and improve your symptoms. Pomegranate juice, green tea, beetroot juice, watermelon juice, and ginger tea are not only tasty, but also high in nutrients that promote erectile function and general health. Remember, consistency is essential, and mixing these beverages with a healthy lifestyle can lead